Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank God. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering. It's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bold cap? Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, this is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use Scar Wax, and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no, oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh, please come off in one piece, please, please, please. No, come on, come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. I'll clean. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. I can't talk very loud right now, if you didn't know. Yeah. Let's pull these teeth out. Yeah. I don't even know how to start. Oh, like that, I guess. And that's it. Bruh, that's terrifying. Bye-bye. Good day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Ah, much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Lucky for you, my life is run by liquid latex. I'm assuming you mean the satisfying part is taking it off, so yeah, let's do it. I gotta tell you though, Mr. Krabs was not feeling this one. I was though. I'm sorry, I gotta be quiet though, my siblings are asleep, and I'm not trying to traumatize them any more than they already are. I'm starting with the nose. Brother, I just wanna go to sleep, get off my face. That felt so bad, yet so good. Little holes. And I gotta serve the nightmare fuel. Now wait, this part is really satisfying too. Aw, so clean. I'ma go wash this off. I am now clean and ready to go to bed. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact. We gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry, I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana. Look at me. The peel took me so long to make. Ow! And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys.